Here's how you can combine images, videos, and GIFs using Flixier. To combine videos and other media in Flixier, you first need to add them to the media library. To upload a video to Flixier, make sure that the library section on the top left part of the screen is selected. Now click the blue import button in the library and browse for the files you want to upload. Select as many as you want. Next, click Import All and your files will be added to the Flixier library. If your files are supported for playback in the browser, you will be able to use them immediately for editing. If not, we will convert them to a browser-friendly format before you can edit them. After you added 2 or more videos, images, or GIFs to your library, you are ready to start combining them. All you have to do is drag and drop them on the timeline on the lower part of the screen. The timeline is organized in tracks that stack on top of another. You can drag videos one after another on the same track in the order you want them to show up in your video. You can also stack videos on top of each other on different tracks, which will allow you to create picture-in-picture or split-screen effects. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and video tutorials.